She come down from the mountains, she rode the autumn plains, a child on her mind and deep water in her veins. Everybody's mouths were shut. They had no words to say, no one to meet her eyes, no one returned her gaze. It took 7 dead horses to reach the 9th day. She listened to the sunlight, heard the words it had to say. Oh, we heard the earth crack open, saw that hand reach out. A shadow from the shadows plucked that girl with quite a shout. Well, went along, that mother wailed in sadness, pooed and babes on the coals, wearing makeup of madness. So she turned the fields to dust, she turned the rain to hope, she turned that hope to fear, and on that fear they choked. If it's been winter for an hour, it's been winter for a day. That cold wind keeps blowing, there'll be no green today. Well, later on in the springtime, why that girl, she reappeared. It's bad luck to pick flowers, but it's worse to live with fear. Now you know what it means to lose someone you love. Maybe you can spread some of that feeling up above. Oh, I got power now, mother, give my name up to the birds. The white dress was mine, and now blood's the word I've heard. I was a guest, I took a seat. Should I go hungry? Should I not eat? Well, that was not the last time. Why that girl, she disappeared, digging graves and being mourned. Why that happens every year.